In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use variations to list multiple video games on eBay. If you're an eBay seller looking to streamline your listing process and manage multiple products efficiently, this tutorial will walk you through the steps to effectively use variations when listing video games. Let's get started. First, head over to your eBay account. Navigate to My eBay, then go to the selling section and find listings. Here, you'll want to click on Create a New Listing. This is your starting point where you'll input all the necessary details for your video game listings. Once you've initiated the new listing, enter the name of the item you want to list. Typically, the title of your video game or a general description that will catch the attention of potential buyers. Make sure it's clear and descriptive, as this helps buyers easily find your products. Next, eBay will prompt you to select a match for your item. You can either select a matching item from the list or continue without selecting a match if none seems suitable. Following that, it's time to specify the condition of your video games. Options like new, used, or refurbished will help buyers understand what they're purchasing. Inside the listing editor, it's crucial to choose a category that supports variations. For video games, you might select a category such as video games and consoles and then refine it to video games specifically. Remember, if your chosen category doesn't support variations, eBay won't allow you to add them. So selecting the right category is key. After choosing the category, scroll down to the pricing section within your listing and ensure it's set to the Buy It Now format. This allows potential buyers to purchase immediately without waiting for an auction to end. Now, scroll back up to the variation section and click Edit. This is where you'll add different variations for the games you're listing. Choose what types of variations you want to use. These could be specifics like game title, or you might opt to create a custom variation type to better suit your listings. Enter all available options for your variations. For instance, if you're adding video games, you might include titles like GTA 5, Red Dead 2, or COD:MW. Once you've entered all the options, click Continue to proceed. It's time to add photos. Assign photos for each variation to visually showcase what buyers are purchasing. This step is crucial for clarity and transparency, as it helps manage expectations and reduces any potential buyer confusion. For each variation, enter the quantity, price, and SKU. This ensures you're fully prepared for sales and inventory management. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close in the variation section. Finally, complete the rest of your listing details. When you're all set, click List It to publish your listing on eBay. And there you have it, a streamlined process to list multiple video games using variations on eBay. This not only saves you time, but also helps improve the shopping experience for your buyers. Good luck with your sales, and thank you for watching.